Ever yawned and wondered why? The science behind yawning is more intriguing than you might think. One theory posits yawning as a natural wake-up call for our brains, increasing oxygen intake and ridding of surplus carbon dioxide. The phenomenon of contagious yawning is another curiosity. It's thought to be tied to social bonding and empathy. Then there's the idea that yawning cools the brain. As we yawn, cool air enters our mouths, reducing the brain's temperature, possibly aiding cognitive function. Remember, yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a fascinating part of human behavior and a means of maintaining balance.